Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Install and open your chosen screen reader, then set audio output and a comfortable voice. Once done, adjust speech rate, faster for scanning, slower for learning, and set verbosity so you hear headings and links. Make sure to place focus on the application or browser window you'll use. This directs the reader to the right content. Finally, load the document or page and say aloud the element you intend to navigate next. You now move into the complex middle steps, navigation and interaction. Use heading and link shortcuts to jump structure quickly and the rotor or element chooser to reach landmarks and lists. This saves time when pages are dense. Once located, switch from browse to focus or edit mode so controls and form fields become interactive. Practice reading by line, sentence, and word to confirm details, and use search to refine results. Remember, mastering mode switching is what makes navigation smooth and reliable. You finish by completing tasks and verifying outcomes. Submit forms or save files, then immediately review confirmation messages and headings to confirm success. Make sure focus returns to a logical location. If content updates dynamically, listen for live region announcements or rescan the area. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart the screen reader and refocus the application. This often restores shortcuts. If that fails, switch browsers or toggle modes to isolate whether the issue is the page.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.